Hello, my beautiful people. How you guys doing today, guys? We are doing well. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, my old subscribers. I say thank you. God bless you all. My new subscribers, of course. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. God bless you. So, guys, in this video, we'll be making barbecue catfish. Okay, so these are all the ingredients we'll be using for the barbecue and we'll be using for salad. Okay, so guys, please, if you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to drop all the ingredients below. Okay, so you're going to check my description box. All the ingredients will be there. It's a very simple and delicious meal. Trust me on this. Trust me. So let's get started.